There has been a rush in the primary markets recently. In fact, in the last 12 months, data shows that there have been about 25 IPOs that have raised more than 35,000 crores with a minimum of a size of about 50 crores each. And the performance has been quite robust, and that is luring new investors into the listing gain promise. That is there in the market, because 80% of the IPOs that have listed in the last 1 year have had listing day gains. In fact, 84% of them have been gaining since their listing till date. However, in case you had missed out on the opportunity in terms of getting allocation in the IPO, and you had chased some of these high flying stocks on day one of the listing itself, it would not have been a joyous ride, because 40% of such IPOs have been have listed or are trading below their first day close. But it's not all that bad. You have had a lot of money spinners so far in the last 1 year. There have been 4 IPOs which have more than doubled on the day of the listing itself. 5 of them continue to trade with more than 100% gains from their listing date till now. However, the recent market correction has not spared anyone, including the new IPOs that we had. So 3 IPOs have declined over 40% each from their 52-week high. 7 IPOs have declined about 20 to 40% each from their 52-week high. And you have 8 IPOs which have declined about 10 to 20% from their respective 52-week high. So much so that almost 50% of these IPOs are currently trading within 10% of their 52-week low. So the bottom line that I'm suggesting is the fact that you must not chase the IPOs at any given price. One should be cognizant of the fact that valuations do matter, and that a price too high could lead to some bit of decline for the capital. And to second what we are saying, we also had Mr. Pankaj Tibrewal of Kotak Mutual Fund join us on the channel earlier in the day. He also echoed similar thoughts, where he highlighted that 74% of the IPOs that have been listed after 2004 have underperformed the Nifty. More than 50% of such IPOs are trading below their listing price. And the fact that we've not had too many money raises in the last decade or so, because 75% of these 480 odd IPOs that got listed after 2004 were listed pre 2010. And the bottom line is that listing gain is the attraction in the short term. However, he does believe that you need to be selective in investing over the medium to long term.